was barely 20 years old when she was brutally gang raped, 5 months pregnant, fleeing violence with a 3.5-year-old daughter. She saw 7 members of her family being killed in front of her own eyes. Her mother, her 3 other women who were raped and then brutally assaulted. According to the CBI, even the corpses had to be severed and thereafter the autopsy, so the bodies could not be identified even then. Now, 20 years later, the fear is back to haunt Bilkis Bano. The survivor of the 2002 riots issued a statement saying that a belief in the judicial system has been shaken after all of them who devastated her life were set free.
The law for the last 20 years, and which has been reiterated in this case by Supreme Court in May 2022, is this, that a remission policy which is applicable at the time of conviction by the trial court, that has to be seen and not a subsequent policy of any state government. Now, 1992 policy says very clearly that an accused must suffer at least an actual sentence of 14 years before his case is considered for premature release. But in 2014 policy, they added a new clause that in case the investigation is conducted by CBI, they have to take permission from the central government to, in order to enable the case for premature release. A policy which is applicable at the time of conviction by the trial court, that has to be seen. Now, in this case, the trial court has convicted the accused person in the year 2008. So naturally, a 2014 policy will not have a retrospective operation. That's a settled law. You can't have a retrospective operation of an incident which has occurred prior to 2014.
Well, Bilkis's family is not just saddened and disappointed, but they are also fearing for their lives as they say that the brutal rapists now roam free. They are asking and demanding their right to live in a safe and secure environment.
ખબર સાંભળવાથી અમને એટલું બધું દુઃખ અને એક માયુસ થઈ ગયા છે કે અમે આટલા લાંબા સમયથી લડાઈ લડી એનો આ નતીજો છે એટલે અમને બહુ દુઃખ અને ડર જે ઓછો હતો એ આજે વધી ગયો છે. સરકાર તરફથી જે સહાય કરવામાં આવી છે 50 લાખ રૂપિયાની જે સહાય છે અમને ચૂકવી દેવામાં આવી છે અને સરકાર સુપ્રીમ કોર્ટે જે સરકારને આદેશ કર્યો છે કે એક મકાન એમને આપવું જોઈએ અને નોકરી આપવી જોઈએ એના વિશે હજુ કોઈ નિર્ણય નથી થયો.
Well, even the opposition is raising questions, even with the TMC MP asking that decide whether if she is a Muslim woman or she is a woman. This is something that needs to be taken upon for the government to decide on the action that they have taken. We head into a short break. You're watching Times Now.